Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Today we have got the Hot Wheels color shifters Nissan Skyline GT-R R32. This color shifter series has again been launched. I am saying it has again launched because I remember when I was a kid I saw this color shifter series in the store. But yeah, I never got to buy one. So since Hot Wheels again launched it, I thought that okay, why not buy it now? Basically this car changes color depending on the temperature of the water. So you have to dip it in and it will change the color. Let's uncut this. Before that, trigger warning, I tear the card away completely when I unbox my cars. So just letting you know, I know many of you don't like that. Let's go. While I unbox this, subscribe to my channel if you love diecasts. Here's the car. I will say it looks nice. The wheels, right? This golden alloy wheels really pop. It goes well with the red color that I see. They have some, the star design on it. I don't know if this is an iconic livery or something. I am unaware of it, but looks nice. The stripes also going through the body looks nice. Wheels roll really smoothly, and it has a number 68. Okay. I will go on to the fun part, which is the color changing part. Let's just go through the casting once and then I'm gonna move towards that. Let's check out the front. The front has no details, no tampos, nothing. Okay, that's it. I guess you have noticed, right? Like this headlight, the left one looks fine, but the right one, like there is a cavity inside. It reminds me of some modified JDMs. They used to do the same. It used to have, let's say, a turbo charger here in one of the headlights. Maybe it is trying to replicate that, but the card art says otherwise. I don't know, but looks like that. Okay, they have some grill details here, nice for a Hot Wheels. Some wiper details as well. Okay, promising. On the top, nothing. Let's okay, they have a wing here, nice. Again on the back, no tampos, nothing, like no prints. That's it. Simple, right? So this car costs a bit more than the main lines. Maybe they could have done some detailing either at the front or at the back, but they haven't. One thing to note is the body is entirely of metal. Okay, so the body is made of metal, but the base which you see here, right? So this is made of plastic. Even though it is made of plastic, they have added details. Which is really nice. Like they have quite a few details. Again, as I said, like this costs more than a mainline because of this color shifting feature and all, but looks nice. Looks nice. This is the other side of the car if you're interested. Here we have got the glass of water. Moment of truth. So this is a cold one, right? I hope that I'm doing it correctly. I guess now the color will change if I dip it in. Let's go ahead. I don't want to dip this car, but I don't have any other option. I don't know how long I should hold it in, but yeah, I can see the color changing. Okay, let me bring it out. Wow. As you can see, the color has turned quite deep, right? Like compared to what it was. You can see in the back of the car, this was the original color, and the color has turned a deep red, I will say. The expectation, I think, that it would have been like turned into black, but maybe I need to make the water much colder than what I have now. Let me dip it again. I kept it inside this for quite some time, for a longer time, and this is the best I can get. Let me keep this glass aside. So this is the best I can get. I thought that the color will turn into black, right? But it is not black. Like on the packaging it was black. But yeah, this is what I got. So it was in bright red color, and now I will say this looks maroonish, right? Looks maroonish. I guess I liked when it was in that bright red color than this what we have here. It does not look bad, but I like that red better. I am not a big maroon color fan. Okay, now maybe let me dip it back in the hot water. So here we have the hot water. It is not that hot, like it is, I will say, lukewarm or warm. Let me dip it in. Okay. this color change was instant, right? Like, I think that's all I need to do. So yeah, like when I dipped it in hot water, yeah, the color change was almost instant. But when I dipped it in cold water, it took some time. Maybe the water needs to be colder than what I had, then maybe it would have turned black. Guys, please let me know, whoever has bought this color shifter Hot Wheels, right, like whether it really turns to black or not, or does it go to just a deeper shade of what the color of the car originally is. Like in this case it's red, so it went to maroonish. Let me do a quick roll test. Yup, rolls really nicely. This is a Hot Wheels, right? Okay, that's it then from this video. See you guys in the next one.